This is every time I have somebody visit. I'm not kidding.
All right.
This guy, he weed eats for like 4 days in a row. Like instead of just getting
There he is.
Yeah.
All right, there's Kirk, there's me. I'm going to take a break from this. Nice hair. He's got more hair than I have. Yeah, well, here's this Hermes 3000, fresh from the shop, Nashville Typewriter. Oh, yeah. And it's beautiful. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Wow, yeah, that ribbon is nice.
Yeah, it's a good ribbon. I mean, they go. I don't know. There's a lot of. Sorry, I keep seeing like ribbon prints on it for me, and I'm like, oh god. I mean, I think there's a couple of different. Like Ribbons Unloaded makes good ribbons. I just tend to be pretty loyal. Like, Charlene's always taking care of me, so.
It's just very black. Sometimes I get gray ribbon, not gray. I got a second typewriter, the other one that I brought, and it looks just beautiful. It had a bunch of stuff wrong. I can't even remember what, but it was unusable. Oh yeah, it's certainly usable now. I love the sound of these 5 series typewriters. Have the best sounding click or clack, whatever, when you type on it. Kirk, once again, Nashville Typewriter, and we had a helicopter hit too a minute ago, but helicopters are gone, and the weed eater guy seems to have moved on to another victim.
Yeah, he's wild.